Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change voice in Instagram voice call. If you're using Instagram and you are having a Instagram voice call and now you want to change your voice, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to open up your App Store or Play Store on your phone. Once you have opened, simply search for voice changer. You just have to install a third party application because there is no any official way to change your voice during voice call. So you must have to open your voice changer, and here once you have searched, you have to download any app from here. In my case, I'm going to download this app with 4.6 ratings. So you must have to download the app. Simply tap on this get option and the app will be installed on your phone. So after installation, you can easily change your voice in Instagram voice call or any of your voice calls you want. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.